Hello everyone, it's John with Hometown Hybrids. Today I'm working on a 2008 Toyota Prius. The customer came in asking why their brake lights were on, ABS, VSC, and the traction control light were on. So I brought it in here, I started running codes, and I found these two codes here, accumulator low pressure and a normal leak of ACC press. These codes point to an internal leak in the accumulator actuator assembly, which is hard to see right now, but it's way back in there. You can kind of see where their master cylinder is. This thing will lose pressure internally because the seals will get old, and so when they'll build pressure, and then the pressure will lose, and then it'll build pressure again. So that's what that noise that you're hearing is. Every few seconds it's building pressure, but then it's losing it. Now, this noise is usually normal whenever you open the door to get in the car in the morning. It should build pressure. Whenever you're pressing on the brake, it should build pressure, but it shouldn't be doing it every few seconds like this one's doing now. I see there it goes again. So today we're going to go ahead and replace this.